Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. First, let's open the Roblox app settings on the computer. To do this, click the Windows icon, then click the cog icon to open settings. Then from here, click Apps. On the search bar here, type Roblox. Then click on Advanced Options to open more of its settings. Now scroll down to find Reset and then click on it to reset. It will show a check mark once it's done. Now you can go back and open your Roblox app and play a game to see if your cursor is now staying on screen. If it is still not working, you might have to uninstall and install both of your Roblox app and launcher. To uninstall the Roblox app, you can do the same thing with the Roblox app settings and find the uninstall button. And then go back to the search bar and type Roblox to see the launcher. You'll just have to click the uninstall button here, and once it's done, it will prompt this message, so just click OK. Now to install them back, let's start with the Roblox app. Click the Windows icon and type Store. Open the Microsoft Store. On the search bar at the top, type Roblox. Now here we go, so I'll just click this and click Get or Install. Once it's done downloading, you can try again and play a game to see if it has been fixed. For the Roblox launcher, you'll have to log in your Roblox via web. Once you're logged in, select any game, then click the play button. It will then give you an option to download and install, so click on it. You have to save first the file, then open the exe file to install. Now it says installed, so click OK. Then from the web, don't forget to click Join to start the game. Now you can test it if the cursor is fixed. Another reason why your cursor is going off screen is maybe you're not on full screen during the game. So as you can see, we still have the bar up here and with the icons on the far right. So here's just my on-screen keyboard to show you, but what I need you to do is press F11 or Fn, then F11 on your keyboard to make it a full screen. If all of that doesn't work, then you might just need to restart your computer. And that's it. That's how you fix Roblox cursor going off screen. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.